So ayan, welcome back sa aking another video. At andito na nga kami guys sa loob ng Hong Kong Park. Ayan, maglakad-lakad tayo. Samahan niyo po kami mamasyal dito sa loob ng Hong Kong Park. Ano nga ba ang makikita dito sa loob ng Hong Kong Park? Ayan, so samahan niyo kami guys. Ito na yung aking dalawang kasama at nauna na silang maglakad-lakad. Actually, ito pangalang beses ko nang pumunta dito sa Hong Kong Park na ito. At masisiyahan tayo guys dito. Maraming mga magagandang mga tanawin. Tara, samahan nating libutin ang Hong Kong Park. Samahan nyo kami.
Eyes is like a glitter ball. The feel of your skin is like a liquid gold. Don't you know that you're a miracle? And I will love you come rain or shine, through hurricanes or fields of fire. I will be with you till the end of time, until the end of time. Smile on your face has got me mesmerized. The touch of your hand, you got me paralyzed. You are perfect in every way. Cause you are something of a masterpiece. You're all that I dream of when I fall asleep. You show me the way that I believe, the way that I believe.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste
waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
nagbibideo pa naman ako. Ay, may bunga siya, oh. Yun, oh. Ay, ano yan? Ano yan? Ha? Ang ganda. Hindi yan lotus, sira. Ang ganda. May bunga. Ang cotton tree pala. Marami nga lang lamok dito, guys. May mga bonsai din pala dito. Pine tree bonsai. Oh, Manong Bonsai, anong puno ito? Marami na siyang damo, oh. Dapat na siyang ano, kailangan ka na nila, Manong Bonsai. Parang walang nag-aalaga. Kasi maano na siya, oh. Ang ganda. Ay, ito walang dahon. Ito ikinabit lang nila sa bato. Ganda. Ah, may mga tinik-tinik siya, oh. Ito. Matanda na siguro to. Ang laki ng puno eh, oh. Ito, ano ang tawag dyan? Bougainvillea. Hindi na sila naaalagaan. Ito, ano nangyari? Sayang, oh. Ang ganda niya, oh. Ano kayang materials niya? Bato. May mga bato. Ganda. Pauwi na kami, guys. So ayan, napagod na ang mga inday. See you ulit, guys, sa susunod kong video. Thank you so much for watching. Kung bago ka po sa aking channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit mo na rin po ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga video namin. Bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Ayan.